Let's learn the grammar in lesson 14, first part. First one is 过. 过. In this lesson, 过 means to celebrate. 过年 celebrates the new year. 过生日 means to celebrate the birthday. Next meaning is 过三个路口 means passing 3 intersections. Here, 过 means pass, to pass. Next meaning is the verb plus 过 means the past tense. For example, 我 what verb we need to use? 我看过中文电影 or 中国电影 我看过中国电影 or 我看过中文电影 I watched the Chinese movie before means the past tense, you did this action. Next one is present tense. We have 4 ways to express the present tense. The first one is 在 plus the verb. For example, 我在看书 I'm reading a book. 在 plus 看 我在看书 means the action you are doing. The second one is add the at the end of the sentence. For example, 你做什么呢？你做什么呢？ You 做 means do something. 什么 means what. You do what plus the means what are you doing. 你做什么呢？The answer can be 我听音乐呢。我听音乐呢。我听音乐呢 means I'm listening the music, the ing format. That's the present tense. Next one the third one combine the first one and second one together. That 在 plus verb and then at the end of the sentence we add a the. For example, 你 put a 在 here. 你在做什么呢？你在做什么呢？你在做什么呢？What are you doing? 我在跳舞呢。I'm dancing. 我在 plus a verb 跳舞。我在跳舞呢。Combine first one and second one together. 在 verb 跳 and plus the at the end of the sentence. 在 verb 做 the. Next one is 正在 plus the verb, like this one, but replace the 在 with 正在. It has the same meaning. 正 means street or the thing you are doing. For example, I can say 我正在跳舞呢 or 我正在跳舞 I'm dancing. 我正在跳舞 or 我正在看电视 I'm watching TV. 我正在跳舞 I'm dancing. 我正在跳舞 我正在跳舞 So these are the 4 ways that you can say the present tense, the things you're doing, the action you're doing. Next one is attributives. Actually, this grammar is about the 的. We learned 的. This character we learned means the possessive word that connect to nouns or pronouns. For example, my book, I can say 我的书. My book. 妈妈的朋友. My mom's friend. 妈妈的朋友. Mother's friend. 妈妈的朋友. The here is the possessive word that can connect. This is a pronoun, a noun, pronoun, a noun. So, if you see a 的 with a verb or something else is not a noun, so that's not means it's a possessive character, so it has another meaning, that's the attributives. So for example, the first one is the verbal phrases. You have verb in front of the 的 and then the noun at the end of the 的. What's the meaning of this? So for example, in English, if I say she is a girl who I have known before, so she is a girl, and then I need to have a who sentence. That's I'm describing, or that's the attributive of the girl. So for this part, it's the same meaning. That 地方 is like the noun girl, 东西, 衣服, 豆腐, 朋友, 苹果, they are all the noun. And then the front part is explaining this more detailedly. For example, 住的地方, the place I'm living, the place I'm living, or the place where I'm living. 地方住的. So it's the opposite order with English. 地方住的. I should say interpret it in English is where I'm living. 住的地方. 吃的东西. 东西 means things. Things you can eat. 穿的衣服. 衣服 means clothes. 穿 means wear. The clothes you can wear. Next one is the subject predicate phrases. For this one, the front is not a verb, it's a sentence. 豆腐, 妈妈做的豆腐. 豆腐 is cooked by mom. 以前认识的朋友, 朋友, 以前认识的, the friend I have known before. 朋友送的苹果, the apple given by my friend, or the apple which is given by friend. So this is a different order of the attributives with English and Chinese.